sunshines! It's a crazy best friend from the internet. Today we are doing another explosive experiment. We are doing the inflating balloon experiment. Please make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, hit the notifications bell. Let's go! Gloves. Now that we have our gloves, we can start our experiment. Make sure to put on your goggles. So first we are gonna get our vinegar. Then we're gonna take our measuring cup. Make sure to do half a cup of vinegar. It smells strong. Gonna open our bottle, and then we're gonna actually put the vinegar inside. It looks like acid. To make this experiment more colorful, we're gonna add a pop of color with our woo! It looks like fire. Aha, fire. Sadly, it's not gonna be this way. I think it's not. Oh, so it looks like red, but it's actually yellow food color. I'm gonna take our balloon. We're gonna take our filter funnel. Right now we're just gonna take one full teaspoon, and it just goes inside the funnel. Oh gosh. Okay. And again. No. And now we're gonna struggle again. There we go. Perfect.
Many hours later.
Okay, let's fix the rings quickly. I'm so excited. Now I'm gonna do the arm movement. I'm so scared. 3, 2, 1, go in. It's actually inflating. It's inflating. I'm gonna do this side. Oh my gosh! It actually worked. Now you don't have to waste your money when you could just waste your money. This, and this to do this. Okay, sunshines, now that we've scientifically proven that this experiment works, I'm gonna have to say goodbye. But before I do, make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, put on the notification bells, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao!